Hi everyone, welcome to Hmong Creations on society6.com. So I just wanted to show you guys the throw blankets that I recently just listed on this website. They started doing fleece blankets and comforters, so I decided I would throw out some of my designs. So here are the options for my throw blankets. So if you navigate on this page, on the side you'll see the products, and I went to pillows and bedding right there, and then throw blankets. So throw blankets are the soft fleece blankets, perfect for couches, perfect for around the fire, just nice and warm. And the small size I think would be perfect for gifts for the new moms and dads out there for their new little bundles of joy. So I just wanted to show you guys the options I have here. And as you can see, the green, blue one, and the pink spirit lock one, the pink elephant print, and more spirit locks with the blue and the pink and the elephant print. And I also have a princess hat one, which is so cute, and the blue elephant print one I think is adorable. I also have a nice classy black and white one if you like that. And I also have a gender neutral gray elephant footprint, but I wanted to show you guys this one is one of my favorites. It is the hearts and the elephant print next to each other, so very cute, super adorable. That's just showing you the fleece on the underside, and then the top is the colored part that you'll see the design on. Right now they have a 25% off discount going on, so the smallest size is a 51 by 60 inch, which would be perfect for the little ones as like a gift, or just if you want to just cover the top of yourself, that would be perfect. And then there's also the larger one, medium size, which is right now $59.99, so on sale, 68 by 80. And then the biggest one is 129, which is $97, 88 by 104. Okay, and then here is a description. Our customers tell us all the time how soft and warm our throw blankets are. Even better, they get softer the more you wash them. They're a perfect addition to any living room couch, featuring a crisp and vivid design on the front with a reverse white side. It's available in 3 sizes, crafted with 100% polyester and Sherpa fleece, printed design on the front with reverse white side. It's machine washable with cold water on gentle cycle, tumble dry low, and you're not supposed to iron or dry clean them. So that is a little bit about the item. So I just wanted to show you guys again my items that I have, and here's a little video